Hi everyone, welcome to my channel continuing the series SNCF 317. We will talk about one object and its type, also using for type of filtering. It's a URL or URL filtering. So simply, what is a URL filtering? If you want to filter some websites to ban some websites, you want user or special VLAN or whatever you want, as we learned before. If you want to prevent him to go for a specific website, yeah, you can do that. This is the right topic for you. If you want to block websites based on category that Cisco Talos made for you, also this topic for you. You have tabs or main category for URL filtering. It's static filtering and Talos theme filtering or Talos filtering. What are these and what is the difference? Actually, the static filtering is you are blocking only one single website. For example, you want to block only facebook.com or xyz.com and you want to apply it for a specific people. Yes, you can do that. Or if you want based on category, that there is a gambling, for example, website. So Talos team aggregated all the gambling websites and put in one category. So any category belong to this, any website belong to this category, it will be blocked by default. And you have to have a license, a URL filtering license for that, to get all the updates and feeds from Talos team or Cisco team. So let's go to our diagram. So what if, let's do the experiment today with our Windows server. So our Windows server should be visiting the internet right now, and it's fine or what? Cancel this one. So close it, close. Okay, it's pinging, it's fine. So even if I want to go, for example, google.com, okay, I'm there. If I want to go for facebook.com, I'm there. Okay, it's opened. Instagram.com, yes, I'm there. Mm, Twitter.com, Instagram open, right? Yes, Instagram open, Facebook open, Twitter is open. So all my life is open right now. So let's go to policies. I think I opened the policy somewhere. Great. Let's revise. Actually, we have so many policies here. Uh, okay. So we need to prevent the DMZ server to access the social media, for example. So DMZ to management, no, not this one, should be DMZ to internet. There is one rule called DMZ to internet. Yeah, this is the one. So I can modify it. No, actually you have to leave it. Yes, because the the status of the policy should be blocked. So I can do identical policy like this, but the type is blocked. Here the type is trust or allow. So I will create a policy and I will name it as a block DMZ to internet. Social, to just clarify it. And the action will be block. The source is DMZ. The destination is outside. Great. Leave everything any. Go to URLs here. Now you can see like so many categories here. Uncategorized, adult advertisements, like anything regarding advertisement, anything, websites regarding alcohol, animals and pets, arts. You have a lot of categories that is categorized based on that. See here, filter avoidance, finance, so many things, gambling also, the example that I gave it to you, file transfer services. Okay, so here to avoid looking one by one, so just filter it social. Here you find social networking, social science, society and culture. My intention was social networking. So and here it's telling you yes, the social networking I categorize as per reputation, trusted, favorable, natural, uh, questionable, and trusted. Great, leave it any. Could be like only the trusted one, only the favorable one. Okay, leave it any and add tools. So the social networking, any reputation is here. Perfect. And it's a block and yes, login at beginning connection. Add, save. So this is now by grouping. Okay, Talos group did this for you, and we are doing that one. Deploy. So deploy here. Okay, I will pause and come back to you. So it's completed the policy right now. Let's go to here. Actually, let me close. No need for closing. Enter, enter. Enter. What's going on here? Refresh. Okay. Still it's active. Why? And here also, if you refresh it, still it's active. Let's check the policy that we created. If we go to policies, access control, okay, modify. So let's see what's going on here. What is our policy? Wow, our policy is the last policy. You can check here, you have DMZ to internet. Let me maximize this one. You have DMZ to internet and you allow trust everything. And when you create the same policy but you blocked, then it achieved the first one and neglect that. And this is the order you have to be very clarify of it. So the specific rule should be on the top and the generic one should be in the last. So let me here actually I don't know I don't need to put it at the first one. The best practice yes, but here because I know my policies and no one will contradict with this except the DMZ to internet, the original one. So I can just put it above it So now the order is here. Block DMZ to internet, and after that DMZ to internet. So if this rule happened, like any social media asked, so then this rule will be achieved. If we enter like google.com, google.com is not a social media network, so it will not look at this and it will be achieved by another policy, policy number 11. So let us save and deploy again. Deploy. I have the final page open, but no problem. Okay. Select the HQ. So it's deploying. Let me wait until finish and I will come back to you. So the deployment is completed. So let's go to uh, this one here. Enter. Let's wait and see what's going on. It's just trying to communicate, and so nothing happened. Let me see the analysis, the event. Great. Saying you that this is block. The initiator IP address, this is the IP address of the DMZ server. The responder IP address, this is the IP address for the Facebook, as I guess. Okay. Uh, Ingress security zone, DMZ. The egress is outside, communicating with this port. Okay, HTTPS. The application code is HTTPS. Oh, this is Instagram. It's a blog because Instagram tried the page refreshed by itself, it seems. And and you see here, URL category is social networking. URL reputation is favorable, and graph.instagram.com. This is the URL that right, and this is static of. Okay. Tab, let's try one thing more. Let's try Twitter. What's going on with Twitter? Twitter is opened. It's weird. Uh, maybe the session closed. Wait a minute. Twitter. It's weird that Twitter is opened. Let me see then Facebook. The pages are open. Let me refresh what's going on here in the feed. Very weird. It's telling me that it's blocked, but it's not. See here the action block. Social networking. Okay, this is a URL reputation trusted. But why it's appearing? Maybe it's cached. Let me try another browser. Maybe it's cached because we open it. And this is behavior of the Firefox. If I open the Firefox, let me see. Um, History, no settings. If we always check, Set alternatives. There's somewhere where I was deleting the cached websites. So privacy and security maybe. Manage exception, no. No, no, no. Cookies and site data. Clear data. Clear. Clear now. It's supposed to be okay. Let me open it again. It's very weird. This is now. Look, the status is blocked. Let's see it. Ah, it is still blocked here. I think there is no issue. I hope for that. Yes, I think, but we should get like an error message here. What about Instagram? Yes, it was a cache problem. Refresh. Let's see the feeds. Yeah, Instagram now is here in the top. Yes, and this is after that. Yes, so it's working. Let me see. Yeah, it's not opening now anymore. It was a cached issue. Oh, okay, perfect. So let's see Twitter if you want. Let me refresh. Now Instagram in the top. Now we should see Twitter. Here Twitter also. It's 3419, yes. Yes, it's working perfectly. And they are not opening also. Let's try any like website like Google, for example. Okay, Google is open fine. Let's open my website. Okay, it's open perfectly. So the only one is not working is the social media tab. What about if I want to block my website, miari.net? So let me go to policy. No, not policy, sorry. Object is here is open. No. Okay. Object management. So we will go to URL, add URL. Of course, you can add a group, you can make multiple websites, and you can put in one group and you can apply it in a group. So let me website. let's say save. Okay, deploy. I think it needs for a deploy. I have a deployment here. Fresh. Just I added an object, so I'm sorry. I need to apply it on the policy. Where is the policy? As a matter, give me access policy, access control. Let's also apply it in the same policy that we created right now. So we will add it. So where the block here? Yeah, this one. Go to URL. URL, sorry, here there is category and there is pub per URL. So we'll click on URL. And also they predefine something for you, URL attacks, URL banking fraud URL. It depends. So here we will put Miari website here. Add rule also. So the social networking and Miari website. Save, save, and deploy. Now check you. Deploy. Okay, so let me pause and I'll come back to you. So it's deployment is completed. Let's go to the server. Open Firefox. So let's miari.net. Let's see in the feeds. Refresh. So yes, it's miari.net. Your reputation is unknown. Oh my god, the responder, my server is in Israel. This is the first time I know. We will see. So, and the status is it's blocked, and that's it. So now this is the static URL filtering is working, and the categorized also filtering is working. I hope this was like informative for you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and see you soon.